This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 78 Ford Granada 302 automatic, so running down the road 60 miles an hour. Car drives great. I'm not even touching the steering wheel. It just barely drifts a little bit to the left, but not even really. That's an east wind, so in there. You can see it's a great driving car. Suspension's good, good power. Runs super. So if you had one of these, or you had a buddy who had one of these and you want one, this is a great example of a nice old one from the late 70s. It's had a repaint, like I said. You can see there's some pretty good shine on it. Not show quality by any means, but got a good shine to it. Interior's in good shape. This seat has a little bit of rip, but the dash is good. Door panels are good, so pretty cool car. Power steering, power brakes. We'll go up to the corner here, and then I'll show you the brakes. And then we'll turn around and I'll go through the shifts on the tranny so you can see they're nice and solid. Power brakes work good, no pull. Got good pedal. There you can hear the AM radio in the background.
One per day per store. Also, while you're there, see Greenwood Nursery's floral department. Spring open house. Now through Sunday at Greenwood Nursery. Tracy and Marshall. Coors Corner Pub and Holland is the place to watch the game this Friday and every Friday. They've got great menu items like burgers and food.
There's your first through second shift. Second through third shift.
They've got it all. Check it out for lunch or dinner. Coors Corner.
So just a nice cruiser. Everything works on it. Any questions? 605-695-7391.